Hi everyone! Welcome back to SpeakUp English, Learn from Zero. Here, we learn real English for real life, step by step from zero to confidence.
So you've got delivery apps like GrubHub or DoorDash, but sometimes the English phrases can be confusing, right?
Exactly. Ordering food delivery in English is something we all do, and in 2025, it's more important than ever. Let's learn the essential phrases you'll actually use. Nowadays, people use apps like GrabFood, DoorDash, and GrubHub every day. Knowing how to use English for food delivery helps you navigate any app, anywhere.
Yeah, even if you're traveling or living abroad, English is the universal language for ordering food online.
Exactly. Let's look at some common app features and what they mean in English. Reorder. I want to reorder my last meal. Track delivery. You can track your delivery in real time. Cart. Add it to your cart. Checkout. Go to checkout when you're ready. Discount or promo code. Do you have a promo code? Let's start with two common and useful phrases. I'd like to order, more polite. Can I get, more casual.
So if I'm ordering a pizza, I can say, I'd like to order a large pepperoni pizza, please. Or, can I get a large pepperoni pizza?
Perfect. Both are correct. Choose based on how polite or casual you want to sound.
I'll take the burger combo with fries and a Coke.
Exactly. You can also add details like, no onions, please. Or, I'd like it extra spicy.
When you have dietary preferences, you can say, could you please make sure it's dairy-free? Or, please don't add any nuts.
What if I want something less spicy?
Simple. Just say, please make it less spicy.
Now, the driver calls and says, I'm outside your building. What should I say?
You can reply, hi, I'm on the second floor. You can leave it by the door, please. Or, I'm in front of the main gate near the security desk. Thanks a lot. And if you want to give a tip, here's a tip for you. Thanks. Have a good one.
And tipping is usually 10 to 15%.
Sometimes things don't go as planned. Don't worry. Here are some useful phrases. Missing items. My order is missing the fries. Could you please send them again? Late delivery. My delivery is running late. Can you check the status for me, please? Refund or support. I'd like to request a refund. There's a problem with my order.
So, staying polite is key, right?
Exactly. Polite, calm English always gets faster help. Sometimes the app asks, would you like fries with that? Or add a drink for $1. That's called upselling.
If I want it, I can say, yes, please add fries. If not, no thank you.
After your meal, you can leave a review. Some common phrases are, the food was delicious. Delivery was fast and friendly. Or, the order arrived cold.
All right, John. You're ordering from a new restaurant for the first time. Ready?
Let's do it.
Hello. Thanks for calling Sunny Cafe. How can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to order a chicken sandwich, no mayo, and a large iced tea, please.
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please. Can you make it less salty?
No problem. Your total is $12. It'll be about 25 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Key phrases recap. I'd like to order. Can I get? No onions, please. Could you make it less spicy? Where are you right now? Is that everything? My order is missing the fries. Would you like fries with that?
Awesome work, everyone. Now you know exactly how to order food in English, from app to doorstep.
Next time you're hungry, don't hesitate. Just speak up and order with confidence.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's your favorite food to order online? Awesome work, everyone. Awesome work, everyone.